A very warm welcome to my channel, and I'm back again with this amazing recipe that I can't wait for you to try and leave a feedback. So I made this recipe for a family picnic, and I regretted not making more because it finished within a blink. Stay tuned if you want to know how this was made because it was so good, very delicious, and then easy to make. So in a bowl, I added some eggs and then I used 2 eggs for this recipe. I also added some sugar and I'm using caster sugar because it has finer crystals and then it melts easily. When I'm done, I'll just wait for a minute before adding my oil. With the oil, you can use vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Both works perfectly. So I'll be whisking this until it's pale and creamy before adding some vanilla extract, and I'll mix that as well for a minute. So this is the outcome after mixing, and I'm sifting my flour to remove any lumps because you don't want any lumps in your butter. And I used plain flour for this recipe. So this time around, I'm mixing with my spatula because I do not want to overmix my butter. When you overmix your butter, you won't get same outcome as I did. If you're still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe for me. And I also forgot to add some baking powder, so I just did and then mixed everything beautifully. And then as you can see, it's so easy that you can make in the comfort of your home. So this is the outcome. I'll just set aside and move to the next stage. So in the next stage, I'll be adding some butter and then some milk in a cup, and I'll be microwaving this until the butter melts beautifully before adding it back. Yeah, and I'll be mixing everything using my spatula once again. So if you're still with me and then you're enjoying, please do not forget to like and then share. I truly appreciate your support. So this is the outcome after mixing everything. It's so easy. And during this stage, my oven is already preheated. So I'll just add my butter to my baking pan, and I've already lined my pan. So I'll just pour it, and I'll be baking this for 40 minutes at 170 degrees depending on your oven. And like I always say, you know your oven too well, so just steady it and you're good to go. And this is the outcome after baking. So easy. And then I made 2 of this and they all came out beautifully. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. I truly appreciate it. If you really enjoyed this video, then do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. And please do not forget to leave a feedback when you try this recipe. Bye.